Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're turning a few simple thrifted finds into beautiful high-end pieces for your home. The first piece I found was this oversized red truck. I decided to tone it down with a warm brown spray paint called Nutmeg by Rust-Oleum. It's the perfect cozy brown that reminds me of gingerbread and old wood tones. Once it was dry, I wanted to give it a bit of that gingerbread house charm. Since I was planning to use it on my front porch, I needed something weatherproof. So instead of paint, I used waterproof silicone to add the icing details. It gave such a sweet handmade look while keeping it durable for outdoors. I love how it turned out, the perfect mix of rustic and festive, a simple thrifted find. For the next project, I turned an old basket into a Christmas tree. It started with 2 tinsel trees I found at the dollar store. I pulled all the tinsel off and trimmed them down a bit so they were 2 different sizes. Then I grabbed this old squished basket that I had tucked away. It was a coiled one, so all I had to do was clip the string that held it together, and it unraveled beautifully. I started wrapping the basket material around the tree forms, hot gluing as I went. To finish it off, I stacked the smaller tree on top of the larger one, using a little cup inside to keep it steady and prop it up a bit so it wouldn't stack right together again. For my next piece, I thrifted this old sign. I loved the rustic wood frame on it. The inside wasn't really my style, but the frame had so much character, I knew I could make it work. I painted over the sign part in an olive green that I mixed using a little green and brown until the color felt just right. To give it more texture and help cover the old lettering, I added a bit of baking soda to the paint. It thickens it up just enough to make the surface look like an aged board instead of a smooth sign. Once it dried, I used a beige paint to add a simple pine tree. Just the trunk and branches first, then the pine needles and a few little pine cones. It's simple, but has that calm, natural look I love. It reminds me of something you'd find at Pottery Barn or a cozy shop. last piece I found was this little wooden sleigh. It had such a sweet shape, but I wanted to give it a more updated, timeless look. I spray painted it black first to give it a nice base, and then went in with rub and buff to highlight the details. I love using rub and buff instead of spray paint because it lets some of the black show through, giving it a softer, aged brass finish. It turned out so elegant, still rustic, but with a vintage charm. I love how each of these pieces came together, all starting as simple thrifted finds and turning into something special. It's such a good reminder that with a little creativity, paint, and patience, you can create high-end looking decor without spending a lot. I hope this inspires you to look at your thrifted finds a little differently. Maybe something that feels outdated right now just needs a fresh color or a new texture to bring it back to life. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more cozy DIY and home projects. Wishing you a warm and creative week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!